Good morning, students. Today we will start with chapter number 18, Amazing Animals, class 3rd. Some animals have no legs or underdeveloped legs. These animals crawl to show movement. They are called crawlers. The animals which have no legs are called crawlers. The animals which live in water show their movement by swimming and are called swimmers. Animals that live in water are called swimmers. They are amazing as they have unique features. Today we will discuss about these amazing animals, and first is it has two ivory tusks which are actually upper canine teeth. It uses them to climb on ice and for defense, and that is walrus. Adult walrus can weigh up to 900 to 1200 kg. Walrus can live 20 to 30 years. Walrus can stay underwater for 30 minutes at a time. It uses his teeth to climb on ice and for defense. Next is it has short leg, a long tail and a long snout. It swallows its prey as a whole. That is crocodile. Crocodile mostly found in America, Australia, Asia. Most crocodile live 50 to 60 years. Crocodile have excellent eyesight. During night, their eyes can be seen as a red dot. Next is it lives in water. Its upper part is like a dome. It can live 100 years, and that is turtle. Turtle and tortoise both are different. Turtle live in water and have flaps for swimming. Tortoise live on land and have legs to walk. During danger, turtle can hide their head inside their shell. Turtle live up to 70 years. Next is it is the fastest fish of the world. It swims at a speed of more than 110 km per hour for short distance, and that is sailfish. Next is it is the only animal with a movable upper jaw, and that is alligator. Alligator are reptiles. There are two different types of alligator, the American alligator and the Chinese alligator. Alligator can weigh over 450 kg. Alligator eats different types of animals such as fish, bird, turtle and even deer. Next is it is an excellent swimmer. Its feet and legs evolve into flippers. It is covered with oily grey or brown fur, and that is seal. Seals spend much of their life in water. Seal can be found on every continent on earth. In the water, they swim using their front flippers. Next is it is a fish covered in a suit of arms. It hatches its egg in pouch on the father belly, and that is seahorse. Seahorse are tiny fishes that are named for the shape of their head, which looks like the head of a tiny horse. They live in water, breathe through gills. Seahorse is a fish. Next is it can disappear into the sand to escape hunters. They swim in large shoals to confuse their enemies, and that is sand eel. Sand eel is long and with a pointed jaw and a maximum length of 20 centimeter. Next is it wraps its thick muscular body around and suffocates its prey before eating it, and that is python. Python is known to be the world's largest snake and has been recorded to reach over 10 meters. They can live up to 50 years. Pythons swallow their food whole, no need to chew. Adult python only eat once or twice a week. Thank you.